In this video, I'm going to go from this to this using, well, this. Oh, and probably some of this. Okay, so wife and I hit thrift stores from time to time, and I came across this Faema Bella Espresso Latte machine, and I honestly almost threw it away because I couldn't get it to work. I looked online, could not find any owner's manuals for it that were in English. So I didn't really know how to properly use it, and I had an issue with getting the pump to pump water out of it. So thought I'd do this video real quick, breaking down what I've learned about it and best practices, that kind of thing. So let's get started. First thing, of course, to clean it, of course you pull this off, right? Pull that off. Little water tub just slides right out here, right like this. And this is where I made my first mistake. After I cleaned this out, I filled it and slid it back in, and I couldn't get it to pump water out. The fix for that is pretty simple. You just open this top right up here and pour the water in through here to kind of prime it, even if this is full. Okay, so I'll set that aside. This right here slides out so you can clean it. And slide all that back in, and I'm just going to leave the water like that for right now. Put this back in, like so. And again, to fill it so it'll actually prime itself and everything, you use this little door right up here. And I'll go ahead and fill it from right here. The minimum's a bit low, by the way. I would say right about here is where you want the fill to, at least before you start, so you have enough water to complete the process. So next, of course, we add our coffee. And press it down. Then place this in, and this is like most of them, it just goes up and turns and lock. I have had a couple times where I didn't catch this one ear right here, and that makes for a mess. So make sure that it's up there good. So put that in, turn it, and I suspect there's probably supposed to be an LED light that comes on right here when you turn it on. However, this one does not work, so if it bothers me enough in a future video, maybe I'll replace that and show you how to replace it. So these are, this brand is made in Italy, and these appear to be from a manufacturer that makes really good systems, makes really good latte espresso machines. And this, from what I gathered online, is the lowest level that they have. It's a consumer model, and they don't seem to make it anymore, but maybe you can find them at a thrift store like I did. Okay, so a couple other things here. We got this on. This turns on the heater for this, right? Then we have this right here, which will turn on the heater for this, for your frothing, if you're going to froth. I cheat. Use a microwave and a frother for the milk. We tend to use 2% milk, and I've noticed that when I use this right here, the 2% gets very watery because, you know, you're adding water into it. I'll go ahead and leave that on just so you can see it function. Another thing is if you hit this pump and nothing comes out, for whatever reason, I have noticed that when I heat up the frother and do that to bleed it out a little bit, it tends to help it along to get it primed. Okay, so next, let's make some coffee. That's the pump. Just turn the pump on, get it to make the amount that you find is correct. Shut it off. And of course, keep in mind it's going to drip a little bit down after you shut it off. And there you go. That's it. Just turn this on. Again, my biggest problem was that I cleaned this out and then filled it and just stuck it in there, and the pump would never prime. To fix that, go up here, put your water in up here, run it for a bit, and if it doesn't prime, then I've had luck with turning that on and getting it primed that way. So there you go. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.